Hi, this is Paul from Boatshed, Lancashire. Just taking a look at this 2020 Aintree Narrowboat, which is a hybrid boat. It's a beautiful interior inside, lovely colour scheme on this boat. Well appointed galley. Also got a freezer in there, dishwasher, built-in fridge. There's no gas on the boat, it's all electric, obviously being hybrid. Covered here, obviously. Inverter charger, electric, solar controller, etc. Fit out was by Aintree as well. Nice slim radiators. Breakfast bar, which is nice. And 2 stools. Got a bed settee that comes up and opens up. Television, which is staying in the boat. And moving forward, coming to the bath stroke shower room. It's got a little standing sort of baby bath, built-in shower. See, heated radiator. Pump out toilet. Going forward, coming to the main double cabin. This bed will actually push in and goes smaller as well and goes in and out, so you wanted to get by easier. But this is out at its full extent. Again, another television, built-in double wardrobes. Some cupboards there, cupboards around the top of the bed, obviously, which is great for storage. And there's storage under the boat, under the bed as well, pull-out drawers. And obviously, going forward into the crutch area. There's no gas on the boat, so that's access through into the bow thruster and the bow thruster batteries. Obviously, the owners are living on the boat at the moment. They're in the middle of buying a house, so obviously there's a lot of gear on the boat, so you'd imagine it when it's been emptied.